Belt tracking issues, production downtime and material spillage plagued a quarry specialising in high-quality basalt products. Wet weather caused conveyor belts to misalign, leading to significant material spillage, damaged skirting and increased maintenance costs. The quarry turned to Kindler Australia for a solution. Kindler's team quickly addressed the belt tracking issue with the K-Commander control series. Its unique central ball and socket link, enclosed in a rubber-covered steel tube, ensured the belt ran true and centre. The installation was simple, efficient and cost-effective, with minimal downtime. The K-Commander control series fixed the belt tracking and maintenance problems immediately. Productivity and profitability improved, as well as extending the wear life of conveyor skirting and reduced clean-up costs. The quarry maintenance team confirmed, K-Commander Control Series 100% fixed our ongoing belt tracking and maintenance problems immediately. Safety hazards from material spillage were eliminated, and the quarry plans to expand the solution further.